How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you the top niches to go into for affiliate marketing. So before we get started, guys, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment. It really helps me grow on YouTube. And yeah, so basically I've been wanting to create this video because a lot of you have been asking me, well, what niche should I go into? Should I just promote a bunch of different products? Well, guys, it's important to, pick a niche when going into affiliate marketing because you want to focus on something that you're passionate about, okay? So I haven't talked about this much, but there's passion versus profits, okay? Now, there's niches that are very, profitable, but maybe not passionate about, okay? But what I always recommend is picking something kind of like in the middle, something that is very profitable, but you're passionate about. I would not really in the middle, but more like a balance, something like for me, okay? I love teaching people how to make money online. That is my niche, okay? But I love doing that, guys. And I teach people how to make money online specifically with affiliate marketing, okay? Now, you may love doing, health and fitness, or you may love doing, promoting electronics because that's what you're passionate about. So, guys, it's really important that you choose something that you're passionate about, but it's also very profitable. There's some niches in affiliate marketing that, you may choose and people aren't really interested in it. So, have to choose something that, there's money in it. And I'm going to go over the best niches, guys. And hopefully one of these is something that you're passionate about. You can choose and you can start promoting today, okay? So the top three, guys, is health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the top three evergreen niches in affiliate marketing because people always need to, wealth. People always want to learn how to make money online, how to invest, how to get their credit card, how to like get their credit card debt lower, stuff like that, guys. So health is very, very big, and that is my main niche, okay? Also, relationships, okay? This is something I haven't done myself, but people are always looking to increase their relationships. People get lonely, they want a companion. Guys, this is a really, really good niche as well, okay? And then of course there's health and wellness, okay? People always need to lose weight or gain muscle or just get better nutrition. Health and nutrition is huge, guys, and that is an amazing niche. Now, those are the three main niches, okay? Now, what you want to do is break those down into, sub niches. That way you're more specific, okay? So, if, for example, me, I'm in the wealth niche, okay? But I'm not just in the wealth niche. I'm in the how to make money online, okay? But not just that, how to make money online specifically with affiliate marketing, okay? Do you see that? So I'm going deeper and deeper because now I'm more specific. I can speak more to that, and that's what I'm good at, okay? Instead of just I'm in the wealth niche, okay, well, do you do personal finance or do you do stocks or do real estate? Okay, does that make sense? Like you don't want to just go in the whole wealth, okay? I'm very specific on the niche I chose, which is affiliate marketing, okay? Now, there's a ton of different things you can do with wealth, guys. There's make money online, there's personal finance, there's credit card debt, there's entrepreneurship, business, software is huge, guys. Software is also very, very huge. Stocks, like I said, real estate, investing, e-commerce is actually very, very huge as well, like Shopify. So, guys, wealth is a very good niche as well, okay? So health and wellness, same thing, guys. You would want to break that down into like, say, the keto diet. If you're an expert on keto, or if you're a nutritionist, if you're really good with nutrition, even breaking that down even further. If you're doing like the paleo diet, you're breaking that down into something that you can speak about, and you can make a whole channel, a whole YouTube channel, a whole blog. You can make something that you're passionate about, but it's very profitable, okay? The ones I'm mentioning are very profitable. I've done my research. I've been in the industry for a little bit, and I know it's profitable. So all the things that I'm recommending to you, these are these are very profitable niches, okay? And then there's also relationships. Like I said, I haven't done anything with relationships at all. Like I have never promoted anything in relationships, but I'm sure there's something you can find with how to date better, or how to find a partner, something of that nature. But I just know that relationships is one of the top three evergreen niches. It's either health, wealth, or relationships, okay? Now I want to go over some niches that are very, very profitable. So first of all, there's electronics, okay? So there's like camera gear, okay? So if you love camera gear, you can do like a YouTube channel on certain cameras, okay? You can do lenses, you can do photography, computers, also smartphone, guys. If you do like a product review on smartphones, you can make a ton of money because, everyone has a smartphone, right? So smartphones are very, very, big as well. You can do headphones. You can do like beats. You can do reviews on beats, and then you can do like, for example, if you're doing like electronics, okay, you would want to be an affiliate for like Amazon, okay, Amazon Associates, and then you would do product reviews on like headphones or smartphones, and you would have your links in there, and that's how you would get paid out with Amazon affiliates, okay. In that case, let's see what else. There's fashion, okay. There's apparel, there's shoes. There's not that much money in there, but I mean, there's a lot of people searching it. So I mean, this is more of a volume thing. So you're gonna get a ton of people going to that, okay. But it is a little more competitive, okay. A lot of people are doing fashion. Another big one is hobbies, guys. People love to travel. You can make a whole, YouTube channel just on travel, and you can do like top 10 recommended places to travel, and then obviously you would have your affiliate links on how to, book these websites or how to book these, airplanes, hotels, anything like that, guys. Let's see here. There's airfare, hotels, stuff like that, guys. And the ones I'm in, like I said, is affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, I teach people how to do affiliate marketing. But the way I make my money is I recommend products that will help you, make money online with affiliate marketing. So I can speak to that because that's what I do. So for example, if you want to start affiliate marketing, I'd recommend a website. You need a website, okay? So I'd recommend a software. And like I said, software is huge, guys, because software, people pay on a monthly basis to have software. So, I recommend certain softwares in my business, and that's how I get paid. And what's cool about software is you get paid on a monthly recurring basis. So if that's something, if your niche is wealth and make money online, software is a great tool because people need software, okay. And that's any business, like any affiliate marketing business, you're gonna need a website. So that's why I like the health that's why I do wealth, because first of all, I love teaching people how to make money online. So that's cool that my passion is also a very profitable niche. Okay, does that make sense? So now that I chose a niche, am I passionate about it? Well, yes, I am. Obviously, I made a whole YouTube channel. I made a whole blog. My whole business is based around this niche that I love talking about. Okay, you know. So my first mistake when I first started affiliate marketing was I was doing gaming, and I was doing Fortnite. Okay, so if you look at my YouTube channel, my first videos were all about Fortnite. And honestly, I don't like gaming. I don't really care for gaming. Now there's a lot of money in gaming, a very profitable niche, but I wasn't passionate about it. So guys, I stopped doing that. And I was making money with it. I would recommend products with gaming, okay? Like Fortnite products, Fortnite games, how to make money with gaming, stuff like that, guys. I was recommending it, and I was making money with it. But guys, I was not passionate about that at all. And the only reason I did it was because it was profitable. So guys, I highly recommend that you choose something that you're passionate, but it's also profitable, okay? You got to find that balance, okay? And for me, I happen to be one of the most profitable niches out there, which is how to make money online. So be very careful when you're picking your niche. Just choose something that you love talking about, because remember, this is a long-term game, guys. This is a long-term business, so you have to be in it for the long run. You got to be able to talk about it for years and years to come. So anyways, guys, let me know if you have any questions on choosing your niche. This is extremely important when starting affiliate marketing. You don't want to just jump into it. Really figure out, are people searching for this? Go to Google and see if it's trending up. You can go to Google Trends and see, is this trending? I know makeup, guys. Makeup is huge, okay? My wife is she loves makeup. Obviously I would never do makeup, but there's so much money in makeup. That's another one, guys, that you can do. If you're a lady trying to do makeup, I know my wife is trying to get into affiliate marketing, so she's looking into makeup. She just started her YouTube channel, so her niche is more like makeup, and we're newborn parents, so she's teaching people how to be a newborn parent, and that's her niche, okay? But anyways, guys, I hope this video helps. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know if you have any questions on choosing your niche. If you have something that you're not sure about, reach out to me. Comment below, reach out to me in my Facebook group, and I would love to help you out in choosing your niche, okay? So anyways, you guys have a great day, and God